My system crashed.
Hi, tape. Swift here for tape. Water. That can instantly flex. Bombs. Seal and reseal. Flex tape is water.
It's triple bond adhesive, virtually weld-thick adhesive to the soap, stopping the toughest
Leaky leaks can cause major leaks, but flex tape is tape that can instantly bump in half. Flex tape's powerful adhesive is so strong, I saw this boat in half.
Now you can repair pools and spots. Flex tape is tape perfect for flexing.
Flex tape is soup, and once it's soup, it's tape.
And for emergency, you see, even in the toughest conditions, it can cause big image. But tape is soup, so you can easily
To show you the power of flex tape, and repaired it with only flex tape.
You're a fucking idiot.
Not only does flex tape's powerful adhesive hold the boat together, but